Hello, I'm Jeff. I'll show you our factory KASROW. And here's our office. And our showroom. Yeah, KASROW, post system register, and the standard. And show you the production. Here's the test machines. Yeah, catch register, production line, and KASROW production line. And here is our sunny finished product. You will see a lot top, a lot. The KASROW case. White, black, and blue, white. Here is our KASROW button, the base plate. Here's our packagings, IP phones and carton. We're using high quality 5 layers, very strong cotton. Here's the panel front and the plastic tray. It's mini plastic tray. Here is the metal tray. Yeah, it's plastic tray. It's plastic tray as well.